Nearly everybody loves ice cream, but ice cream doesn't love everybody. And that's why I created this pumpkin nice cream recipe that is 100% dairy free. There's just two major ingredients, pumpkin and cashew milk. Before we get started, I would like to invite you guys to press the like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Also, please support Blending with Henry by making your Vitamix purchase using my links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Now, this way I'll be able to continue to offer you guys the best content and more recipes. Your financial support is very well appreciated. To start the recipe, we're going to make homemade cashew milk, and it only requires two ingredients. We're using the Vitamix Ascent A3500, my top recommended machine for a holiday gift to yourself. So, we're starting with 1 cup of raw soaked cashews, 4 cups of filtered water. Now, filtered water will provide the cleanest taste for your milk. Start the Vitamix and ramp it up to the highest speed and blend for 1.5 minutes. I make cashew milk for a lot of my dairy-free recipes because it tastes very close to dairy-based milk and it has the same texture, so it requires no straining. Now, it also makes fantastic chocolate milk. Alright, you guys, let's put together the recipe with 1.5 cups of the fresh-made cashew milk, 6 pitted dates, 1 can of pumpkin. Now, you can also make your own fresh pumpkin, which will amount to roughly 2 cups. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground nutmeg. Now, if you have the opportunity to make fresh ground nutmeg, it tastes so much better than buying it in the jar. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of a cup of pure maple syrup. Next, you want to start your Vitamix and ramp it up slowly to the highest speed and blend for 1 minute. This is my favorite and most efficient way to freeze your nice cream mixture. Creating ice cubes allows you to make as much or as little of your frozen dessert as you prefer. Just take a few and throw them in the Vitamix. And they can be made into popsicles. Now place your ice cream tray in the freezer for several hours. Overnight is even better. Now we're going to place our pumpkin ice cubes into the Vitamix, about 2 cups. And we're going to use the tamper to help process the ingredients. We're blending on the highest speed. Some of the pumpkin ice cream got stuck on the tamper, you guys. I wonder if I should toss it out. Nah. It's a very dense mixture and firmly frozen. Now, it's not falling out of here for sure, right? Now, because you guys, it is a dense mixture, you want to do this in 2 batches if you want more. Now, I simply added more pumpkin ice cream cubes to the creamy mixture. And now we're just going to mix them in. But don't overblend or you'll get soft serve. Right out of the Vitamix, you guys, the pumpkin ice cream scoops are firm. And you can smell the fresh nutmeg. It's like eating a frozen pumpkin pie. Now, presentation is everything, so let me clean that up, okay? Now I'm garnishing with graham cracker crumbs. Kind of the reverse of a pumpkin pie with the crust being on the top. Of course, no pumpkin pie is complete without whipped cream. This is 100% dairy-free coconut milk whipped topping. Now a little extra garnish of the fresh nutmeg. Now don't be shy, you guys, lay it on. Plus, shave some onto the plate for presentation. Add a spoon, and there you go. A delicious and healthy spin from the typical pumpkin pie or pumpkin latte. Do something different for your holiday guest. Pumpkin pie nice cream. You've got to try it. Alright you guys, there's more to come this holiday season. I have so much. Now see below the video for my links to order your Vitamix machines. I receive credit for your orders this way. I need your business, so I'm putting my heart and soul into it for you.